Joe's got the cameo. That's Skyscraper Joe. Follow him. All right, we got 19 games and we need a shit ton of money. That could have been good.
That could have been.
Yes. No. $50 spins. This is big boy bread.
Yes.
Aces? You jerk. You're a jerk for only giving me 100. I'm just kidding, baby. I love you. Don't be mad. Yeah, the blue guy. Oh, wild.
That's a lie. He does not love this machine.
No. It's a love-hate thing. Mostly a hate-love thing. With the wild for another 2 Bobby. Give me mine right back. And it's not a hand pay. The Bahamas doesn't do that. You're welcome, Atlantis. Bringing you business. Nope. Big money, big money, big money. We need another big hit of wilds.
Come on. Again, we only have 5 lines.
We put 2,000. We started at 2,000 to get the 19 to go. We need the gold chicken.
Aha. Also subscribe. We appreciate you. Means a lot if you subscribe.
It does. We'll keep giving you consistent tent if you subscribe.
To be fair, we'll keep posting regardless, but...
You want to catch the vids though. Wild?
Oh!